Light up, understanding its many uses. Hey, language learners! Today, we're diving into the phrase, light up. This seemingly simple phrase can be used in different contexts, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to use it like a pro. The most straightforward meaning of light up is connected to illumination. When you turn on a light or ignite something, you're causing it to light up. Examples: can you light up the candles on the birthday cake? The city lights up beautifully during the festival season. Here's where it gets fun. Light up isn't just about physical light. It can also describe emotions, especially happiness or excitement. Examples: her face lit up when she saw the surprise gift. This means that she looked very happy or excited. The news lit up his day. This suggests the news made him very happy. Light up isn't just confined to daily conversations. It's also found its place in songs, movies, and books to express various emotions. Examples: your love lights up my world. This is a way to express that someone's love brings happiness or joy. This party is going to light up the whole town. Here, it means the party is going to be grand and notable. So there you have it. The phrase, light up, is versatile and rich in meaning. From illumination to expressing joy, it's a handy phrase to add to your vocabulary. Keep practicing, and remember, every new phrase you learn lights up your path to mastering the English language. See you in the next video.